First reading, 1 Kings chapter 17 verse 7 to 16. But after some time the torrent was dried up, for it had not rained upon the earth. Then the word of the Lord came to him, saying, Arise, and go to Sarepta of the Sidonians, and dwell there, for I have commanded a widow woman there to feed thee. He arose, and went to Sarepta. And when he was come to the gate of the city, he saw the widow woman gathering sticks, and he called her, and said to her, Give me a little water in a vessel, that I may drink. And when she was going to fetch it, he called after her, saying, Bring me also, I beseech thee, a morsel of bread in thy hand. And she answered, As the Lord thy God liveth, I have no bread, but only a handful of meal in a pot, and a little oil in a cruse. Behold, I am gathering 2 sticks that I may go in and dress it for me and my son, that we may eat it, and die. And Elias said to her, Fear not, but go, and do as thou hast said, but first make for me of the same meal a little hearth cake, and bring it to me, and after make for thyself and thy son. For thus saith the Lord the God of Israel, The pot of meal shall not waste, nor the cruse of oil be diminished, until the day wherein the Lord will give rain upon the face of the earth. She went and did according to the word of Elias, and he ate, and she, and her house, and from that day the pot of meal wasted not, and the cruse of oil was not diminished, according to the word of the Lord, which he spoke in the hand of Elias. Psalms chapter 4 verse 2 to 5, 7 to 8. When I called upon him, the God of my justice heard me. When I was in distress, thou hast enlarged me. Have mercy on me, and hear my prayer. O ye sons of men, how long will you be dull of heart? Why do you love vanity, and seek after lying? Know ye also that the Lord hath made his Holy One wonderful. The Lord will hear me when I shall cry unto him. Be angry, and sin not. The things you say in your hearts, be sorry for them upon your beds. The light of thy countenance, O Lord, is signed upon us. Thou hast given gladness in my heart. By the fruit of their corn, their wine, and oil, they are multiplied. Gospel, Matthew chapter 5 verse 13 to 16. You are the salt of the earth. But if the salt lose its savor, wherewith shall it be salted? It is good for nothing any more but to be cast out, and to be trodden on by men. You are the light of the world. A city seated on a mountain cannot be hid. Neither do men light a candle and put it under a bushel, but upon a candlestick, that it may shine to all that are in the house. So let your light shine before men, that they may see your good works, and glorify your Father who is in heaven.